might know me as a graphic designer, a friend, or that girl on the internet that unboxes weird kitchen gadgets that you probably don't need but kinda want. And today I'm unboxing the cooler cousin of the Ninja CREAMi, which is the Ninja Swirl. I can't wait to make ice cream for work. Like, who doesn't want this job, honestly? There's only one way to do this properly. Oh my god. All right, right off the bat, she's a big boy. I don't know about you, but I don't have that much counter space in my kitchen, so it may not be ideal to have out 24/7, but thankfully I have cupboards. Looks like we have 2 pints. Oh, I see. So these are for the swirl portion. It has the little nozzle here, as well as the dispenser spout. And then we have, okay, I absolutely love this. I know crock pots usually come with like ingredient books, so the fact that this also comes with an ingredient book is awesome. I actually did choose some of the recipes that Ninja has on their website for us to try out today, so we can put some of these recipes to the test. Similar to the original Ninja CREAMi, this guy can make ice cream for, well, it doesn't really make ice cream for us, but it can blend ice cream for us and mix-ins for us. But what makes this machine special is that it also has a soft serve spot. So we can take the ice cream that we make and turn it into soft serve, which is super cool because, I don't know, I don't think I've ever seen an at-home soft serve machine before. Wow! We have revealed the display with all of the buttons that I can't wait to press later. So it seems that we can do a soft serve version, or we can just do the traditional CREAMi style scooped version of ice cream. Light ice cream, frozen yogurt, fruit whip. Oh my god, the options are endless. So on the front side here, we have the bowl, which is where you will blend up your ice cream if you want the scoopable version, or if you haven't already noticed, the giant hole on the front, which is where our dispensers are intended to go, like so. But enough about what's on the ice cream machine. I want to get to making ice cream. Oh my god. Open! Oh, there's a lock. It is instructing me to open this because we have the blade on the inside. This is the creamerizer paddle. Just need to release the lock here from underneath and then install the blade. Damn, that was easy. So while attempting to plug the machine in, I do want to point out the cable is fairly short, but with the idea that this is probably gonna be sitting or living in your kitchen, where plugs and outlets are quite close by to the counter, it's probably not gonna be a huge issue. You know, it's a good sign when the instruction manual is this big. Now that I have all of these ingredients in front of me, let's try making some ice cream. I will confess, I have used a CREAMi machine before, and I've discovered my absolute favorite recipe. It's actually by Ninja. It's their coconut ice cream recipe. It's literally only 3 ingredients: cream of coconut, vanilla, and sugar. How much easier can it get? Because the Ninja CREAMi requires you to freeze your base for 24 hours, we already have some pre-made, but I wanted to show you how simple it can be making your own. So using the vanilla ice cream recipe from their recipe book, I'm gonna make some vanilla ice cream. Except I have no vanilla, so cream cheese ice cream? Oh, that's neat. So you can actually buy your own pint of ice cream from the store and then just use the soft serve function to make soft serve version of your favorite ice cream. I'm not much of a chef, but seeing David put cream cheese on a Pop-Tart last time, I think has given me some motivation. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. Oh no, there's gonna be cream cheese everywhere, milk everywhere. Jeez. Okay, 1/3 of a cup of sugar. We're just gonna eyeball this. 3/4 cup of heavy cream.
There are 16 tablespoons in a cup.
Really? Well, too bad I just free poured, because now I'll never know how much actually went in there. And 1 cup of whole milk. 1.
Oh my god.
Perfect. Once your base is completed like mine is, you would then transfer it into your little container as such. Oh my gosh! I measured it perfectly! There is a max fill line on the container, and I've just so happened managed to measure it perfectly. So screw you all for doubting me. After it's prepared, you put it in the freezer for 24 hours and then...
But not before a word from our sponsor, Greenman Gaming. Assassin's Creed Shadows comes out on March 20th, but you can reserve your copy today at Greenman Gaming and get 17% off. Take control of 2 protagonists, each with their own unique playstyle, and explore 16th century Japan in any way that you want to. But if Assassin's Creed isn't your thing, Greenman Gaming has discounts on loads of the latest and greatest PC games out there. They're an authorized and trusted seller of PC game keys, so each purchase you make still directly supports the developers and publishers. So click the link below and for a limited time get 17% off Assassin's Creed Shadows on Greenman Gaming.
Ice cream. We have 4 flavors to try today. We have standard vanilla, coconut base, Dole Whip, and Sweat. First, we're gonna try Dole Whip. Okay, so according to the instructions, here we unlock our base container, open that up, and then put this inside. And then take the lid off of our base and put our blender lid on top. With our, what's it called again?
Creamerizer paddle.
With our creamerizer paddle. Now that our base is in the container, you should just be able to slide it in here and lock it. And since we're making Dole Whip, we want the soft serve version, so we're gonna wanna click the soft serve button here, and then we're gonna click our type. Okay, so this would be a fruit whip because it's fruit base. 6 minutes. All right, now we have our base. I'm going to remove this from the bottom, and we're gonna turn our Dole base into Dole Whip and use the soft serve function. Wow, okay, this looks super creamy. I'm actually super stoked to see how this turns out. We're gonna take the dispenser and put it on top of our ice cream container. And then there's like a little blue part on the container here, and that's gonna align with this part on the machine. It should just be as easy as... All right, but the real question is who wants to eat ice cream alone? Artie?
I heard Dole Whip.
Yes! You want a cup or cone?
Oh, you gotta go cup.
All
Have
right.
you ever had Dole Whip in a cone before?
Actually, no. That's a good call.
I don't think they actually do it.
So all we need to do now is pull the lever.
What was that?
I don't know, those noises were not fun.
Oh no. Oh no.
So I've made a grave mistake and didn't properly follow instructions in typical Sarah fashion. So you're supposed to open the ice cream dispenser before it dispenses. Believe it or not, who would have thought? Not me. Let's try this again the proper way. Now you can see the ice cream on the front is straight. So now, let's try this again.
I love how they give you a giant lever to actually dispense
It's
it.
so fun. I feel like I work for Dairy Queen. It's working!
Oh my gosh.
Swirl it. You can pull it.
Okay, maybe. Oh wait.
Oh, sorry, lower the cup. Lower the cup, low.
Low.
Okay, maybe Dairy Queen isn't the right move.
Okay. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's try it out.
It's not completely what I remember, but it smells like pineapple.
It does smell like pineapple.
If I'm gonna be real, the texture isn't really like Dole Whip.
Not at all.
Dole Whip is a lot more soft servy and it feels a lot creamier. This really just feels like, I don't know, frozen fruit ice.
Yeah.
But it tastes like Dole Whip.
It does. It does. It's got the pineapple-y-ness, but I guess that's what you get when you put pineapple in a blender.
Yeah, fair enough. But I don't know, I feel like the big appeal with Dole Whip is the creaminess.
Exactly.
Of it. So I give it 5 big booms.
Boom!
Boom! Boom! Boom! Boom! Out of 10 though.
Thanks, Artie. I think I'm done with this flavor, so to remove it, the retract button is telling me I need to press it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Ah, I see. And then it pulls back this part here so that you can take the container off. Little bit messy, but overall, I'm kind of impressed. I'm honestly not quite sure what this would be classified as. I wanted to try turning Pocari Sweat, a very well-loved beverage in our office, and turning it into sorbet. I've coined the name Sweat sorbet, and I will be trademarking it. So the recipe we used for this one is based off of a recipe for like a beer sorbet, but we replaced all the beer with Pocari Sweat. It legit looks like a slushie, which is kind of what I expected, but I can't imagine that dispensing this as soft serve is gonna go very well. So let's try it. So to try this next flavor of ice cream, I have brought one of my favorite travel buddies, Belle.
Hello, #1 Pocari Sweat fan here.
Hell yeah.
Where's the sweater?
I know I should have worn the sweater today.
What the heck?
I wore it in my last unboxing, the Essential Phone 2. Go watch that video. And of course, we had to hide a can on set.
Oh, duh.
True fans.
Yes.
And I've got high hopes for this.
Are you excited to see how it dispenses?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a cup. I don't feel like this is a good cone flavor.
I will do the lever. Do you want to do the honors of
please.
swirling? Let's do this thing.
Wow. It's not quite swirly.
Why does it look so unappealing when it comes out?
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Just keep
I
going.
think maybe we have enough.
Are you sure?
I think so. That's a whole can.
Oh, good catch.
All right, let's
Okay.
see.
It's got a very icy texture, similar to the Dole Whip.
Cheers. That's refreshing.
It's actually really good.
That's really refreshing.
Oh my gosh!
If it wasn't like 6 degrees and raining outside, this would be great.
I would eat this. You really can taste the Pocari Sweat as like the aftertaste.
I feel
It's got
very
notes.
hydrated. I
Yeah,
feel very hydrated right now. This is good.
yeah.
I'm gonna give this 8.5 out of 10. This is pretty solid.
I would agree with that.
I'm taking this.
Enjoy
you.
your sweat. Let's try this coconut one with some more friends. Adam,
Yeah, he's the queen.
welcome.
Yeah.
Wow, this actually looks kind of fire. Very creamy. So this is the fun part. Do you want to grab a cone?
Yes. Oh, I gotta do the swirl? Should I come around to the front?
No, no, no. You got skills. Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. The suspense is killing me.
Is it coming?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going fast.
Holy crap.
It's really
The swirl, I don't have this. They'll keep. Yeah. Oh, no. Okay.
Tell me when, tell me
That's
when.
good. That's good. Oh, God. Stop it. This is just like a Dairy Queen.
It's beautiful. Round of applause. Okay. Wow, it's very soft.
It seems like it is the exact same texture that we put it in.
It tastes like coconut.
Okay, so I like coconut as a flavor. I hate coconut as a texture, right? Like the worst part of the Nanaimo bar is the like graininess of like desiccated coconut. This is banging. It is already so wet. It's more like a yogurt consistency and like a zero fat yogurt consistency. This is what I would expect if I made ice cream at home without a fancy machine. We're gonna give it an 8 for flavor and a 4 for presentation.
Would you buy a Ninja Creamy Swirl? With creamify technology?
Whoa, it's got creamified tech in this? What about, does it have a creamy paddleizer?
It does.
No way! I would 100% buy. Absolutely. Bye.
Thanks. Enjoy your ice cream.
I will, thank you.
Now we're gonna use a dairy-based vanilla ice cream, just like the one I made, but this one has real vanilla beans in it. You might be wondering how we got all of these ice cream bases. Well, Reese, do you wanna tell us about it?
It was me.
And now you get to try it. All your hard work.
All of my hard work.
So you've been behind the scenes watching us do this the whole time.
Indeed, I have.
I'm interested to know your thoughts. Is this worth it, in your opinion?
The creamy portion is worth it, I think. I think that's a pretty cool kitchen gadget. But the soft serve dispenser part, which is already leaking, is a little bit much. What's the price difference between the regular creamy and this fancy one?
So the swirl machine costs $349.99, and the regular creamy machine is $230. Okay. So this, oh my
That was,
god.
oh, that's, okay, yep. Oh, man, yummy.
I think it was out of the freezer too long.
Yeah, we've been shooting this for a long while. Oh my.
I wouldn't even call that
I
ice
see.
cream.
Tastes pretty good though. Ooh, that tastes pretty good actually though.
Your
My toppings, yeah, okay.
Dip it. Dip it.
I think if I were to dip this, it would just become like a soup. Well, it is a soup. Oh, my favorite toppings. Okay,
It is
well,
good.
glad I came to work today. This was worth it. If this was like straight out of the freezer and like fresh, you know, blended while frozen, I think it'd be like a 10 out of 10. This is really good ice cream, honestly.
As the person who made all the recipes, how was it?
I made all of these recipes with just a tablespoon. That wasn't the best experience, but the recipes should be simple in your kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna stop dripping on. I'm gonna leave. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
We had a really fun time using this, and honestly, having people with me to try the flavors made a really fun experience. But would I buy this for myself? Probably not. While it makes a really good novelty, or for somebody who is obsessed with soft serve, maybe this is the right product for you, but at a $349.99 price point, I just can't see this being worth it. It's a little loud, it's a little messy. Silver doesn't really match my kitchen anyways, and you can buy the CREAMi itself on its own for $230. I've always had success trying new and unique flavors, and today we've seen that it works with almost anything. But what about you guys? What do you think? Would you buy a Ninja Swirl? Let us know in the comments below. And thank you for watching this Short Circuit. Bye!